What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this awesome little tripod right here. This is the Sirui 3T-35, and this has more or less lived in my camera bag for years now. It goes with me on every trip. It just goes with me pretty much everywhere. Like, this lives in my camera bag. One of the reasons I like it so much is because it is super, super small. So when you break this thing down, like, it's so small. That's why I love it. Like, look how small that is, completely broken down. But even though it's small, you see all these super small tripods and everything like that. You know, the problem is that they can't hold gear. If you have a semi-decent camera that is large, these small tripods fall over, they break, they can't hold up your nice camera. I have a nice camera here, a bigger camera with a decent sized lens on it. This has a ball head, which is really nice, which I'll show you what you can do with that. And then it also comes with the Arca Swiss plate, which I actually have on the side of my camera. And then I have another Arca Swiss plate that I had bought that's on the bottom of my camera, and you'll see why. But you know, you just put your camera in here, lock it in, and it's not moving. Like, I can pick this up, I can throw it down. I don't have to worry about a cheap tripod falling over, which is one thing I really, really like about this. Like I said, you do have a ball head, so you can loosen this up, move the camera around, get the shot that you want. You know, you can do all of that. This pole also extends up, so we can extend this up. And even again, fully extended, don't have to worry about a big camera, a decent sized lens tipping this over. You don't have to worry about any of that, which is really, really nice. And then, like I said, I shoot a lot of stuff for social media. So the actual Arca Swiss plate that came with this is on there. I can shoot vertically, which again, a lot of these smaller tripods, you try to put a nice big camera on there in this orientation and it just falls right over. You don't have to worry about that with this tripod. Like I said, it's super, super small. Let's put it back in here normally. And if you're somebody who's looking for a tripod for vlogging or something like that, this is really, really great for that. So I can be like, hey guys, how's it going? You know, you can move this around. You don't have to worry about, you know, again, it falling off, it falling out of this. Everything here is pretty much made of metal. Like, it feels really, really heavy duty, which I like. The feet lock into place so they're not gonna fall over or anything like that. So if you're looking for a small tripod, a travel tripod, something that can easily fit in your camera bag or backpack, this is definitely it, and I would highly recommend it.